Hiccups!
Oh! Are you ready? Here we go!
Oh no! Somebody please! What's wrong?
My hiccups won't stop.
Oh, that's too bad. Can you stop them? Well... Oh, please? Please help, Cappy. Well, I don't know. Boo! They stopped!
Isn't that great?
Thank you, Flora!
Oh no!
Merrily, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Strongly, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Slowly, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Quickly, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Y is for yacht.
Pineapple,
Mango go go,
pineapple,
mango go go.
Fast and slow we go, up and down the hill, a long and winding road. Iron Peachy. California, Texas, Oklahoma, Mississippi, Tennessee, Pennsylvania. Cross the river, over the mountains. She's waiting there now, yes, in New York.
pineapple,
Mango go go,
pineapple,
mango go go. Go, go!
Yeah, yeah!
Look, somebody's walking there.
Hi there! Oh, hello!
Huh? We met before.
Yes! Hi there!
Where are you going?
Where Liberty is! Liberty?
I know, that's New York.
Yes, New York!
The Statue of Liberty.
Let's go together.
Yes, to New York. Let's go.
Yaha! Look, Wonder Man!
Hi.
Hi there! Where are you going? Where Liberty is. Okay, I'll come with you.
Long time no see!
Yeah, where are you all going?
To see the Statue of Liberty.
Wahoo! I'll come with you!
Oh!
Hello!
Oh, hi!
Where are you going?
To New York.
I'm coming with you.
Okay!
Hi there! Do you want one?
Columbus!
Hi!
Where are you going?
Where liberty is!
All right, I'm coming with you!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Baby, rock and roll.
We meet again!
Yeah. How you doing? Great. Where are you going? Yeah.
To New York!
Okay, I'm coming with you. New York, New York.
Hello?
New York.
We made it!
Yeah!
Oh, hello!
Hello, welcome to New York.
Yay! Hip, hip, hooray!
Rock and roll. Why? Y is for yellow. Y is for yo-yo. Yawn. Why?
Hi, Cappy. What's wrong?
Oh, JJ, Cappy's hiccups won't stop. Please help him.
All right. I'll teach you the no hiccup pose.
Huh?
Touch your shoulder. Good. Now, touch your side. That's right. Hold it. Good. Now, turn your head. Freeze!
Freeze! Your hiccups stopped!
Huh? Yes! They did stop! Hooray!
Help me!
Huh?
I can't move!
Oh no!
What happened?
Somebody help!
Help me! I can't move!
Oh, poor JJ. Let me help you.
Huh?
Wow! I'm okay now. Thank you, Flora.
You're welcome. One sunny day, I met a bear, a great big bear, away up there. Then said the bear, "You'd better run, 'cause I see you haven't got a gun." And so I ran away from there. And right behind me came that bear. Then called the bear, he yelled to me, "Hey little girl, stop, wait for me." But I didn't stop. And he said once more,